Hey Math Aces, and welcome to Mr. Ace Math. In this video, we're going to calculate the mean for this set of data, which consists of winter temperatures measured in degrees Fahrenheit. The first thing I like to do whenever dealing with a set of data is to put our set of data in order from least to greatest. We don't really need it for the mean, but it's a very good habit to get into. So I'm going to do that very quickly. So here is our data in order from least to greatest. So to calculate the mean, the first step is to add the values in the set of data. So I'm going to add these numbers two at a time until I get the grand total for all of these items together. So I'll put 12 and 14 together. I have that math set up, so I'll get rid of those items. Then I'll add 16 and 18. Then I'll get rid of those items from the list. Then I'll add 18 and 19. Then I'll get rid of those items from the list. And then I'll add 19 plus 20. 19 plus 20. So let's start with the addition right here. 12 plus 14. 4 plus 2 is 6. And 1 plus 1 is 2. So we're done with that. Now we've got 16 plus 18. 8 plus 6 is 14. So I'll put a 4 here. And then carry the 1. 1 plus 1 is 2, plus another 1 is 3. That's 34. Now I've got 18 plus 19. 9 plus 8 is 17. I'll bring down the 7 and carry the 1. Then we've got 1 plus 1 is 2, plus the other 1 is 3. That makes 37. And finally, we've got 19 plus 20. 9 plus 0 is 9. 1 plus 2 is 3. So now I have to add all of these items up. 26 plus 34 plus 37 plus 39. So now let's do 26 plus 34. So we've got 26 plus 34. 6 and 4 is 10. I'll bring down the 0, carry the 1. 1 plus 2 is 3. 3 plus 3 is 6, so that makes 60. Next, let's add up 37 plus 39. We've got 37 and 39, so we'll line them up. 37 plus 39. 9 plus 7 is 16. I'll bring down the 6. Carry the 1. 1 and 3 is 4. 4 plus 3 is 7. That makes 76. Now finally, we've got to add 60 plus 76, which I'll do right here. 60 plus 76. That will give us 0 plus 6, which is 6. And 6 plus 7, which is 13. So that gives us a grand total of 136. So we're done with step 1. Step 2 is to divide by the number of data items. And when we say divide, we mean divide that sum, that 136. So now we've got 136 divided by the number of data items. And how many data items are there? Well, we started off with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. So we've got 8 data items. And we can just cross this off too. So we've got 8 data items. So that means we're going to have to divide 136 by 8. So we'll put the 8 outside and then start dividing. 8 can't go into 1, so that's 0 times that it goes into it. Then we'll try to put 8 into 13. 8 can go into 13 one whole time, and 1 times 8 gives us 8. So now we've got to subtract 13 minus 8, and that is going to be 5. Since we have a remainder, we have to go to the next column and bring that down and then repeat the process. So now we're trying to divide 56 by 8. And how many times can 8 go into 56? Well, that's 7 times. So we'll put a 7 on top of this digit here. 7 times 8 is 56. And when we subtract that, we get 0. This 0 down here means that our division is done, making our final answer 17. And that means we're done with step 2. So we can say the mean equals 17. And if you think about it, that makes total sense. In the full lesson for this topic on Mr. Ace Math, we always said that our mean can never be less than our lowest, which is 12, or higher than our highest, which is 20. It's always somewhere around the middle of our data. So 17, that sounds totally reasonable, and we're all done with this problem. I hope this helps, and if you have any questions, leave them in the comments. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in math class.
Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Questions? Comments? Leave them down below.
And thanks for using Mr. Ace Math. Don't just pass math, ace it.